Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of Entry App, India's #1 app for the preparations of competitive examinations like banking, SSC, railway or other state level examination. I am Kashish Goyal, your reasoning mentor, having an experience of more than 3 years. So today we will be discussing the topic that is syllogism. But before that, we will be discussing the homework question that we have given in the last class, that was on the vacant floor based. Okay, so first of all we will be solving that question. So there you have the question. So this was the homework question. So first of all, let me solve this question, then we will be moving on to syllogism. Okay, so there are 7 persons that are P, B, R, T, D, T, F and B who lives in building having 3 floors such that the ground floor is number as 1, above it is 2 and so on up to the floor number 3. Each floor consists of 3 flats, that is flat 1, 2 and 3. Flat 1 of floor 2 is immediately above flat 1 of floor 1 and immediately below the flat 1 of floor 3, and in the same way flat 2 of floor 2 is immediately above the flat 2 of floor 1 and immediately below the flat of 2 of floor 3 and so on. Flat 2 is in the east of flat 1 and flat 3 is in the east of flat 2. So first of all we have to make the diagram. So what actually it will make like this. So there are 3 floors. So 1, 2 and 3. Done. These are the 3 floors. So you can take this like floor number 1, floor number 2, floor number 3. Is it clear? And we have flats, and flats are flat number 1, flat number 2 and flat number 3. Okay, done. So I have given for floor I am taking F1, F2, F3, but for flat I am taking 1, 2, 3. That's it. Done. So now let's see. Not less than 2 person lives on same floor. Okay, so it is always that on the on each and every floor there must be minimum 2 person are must be there. Okay, done. And only 1 person live in a flat and 1 person will be there in a flat. Now 2 flats are vacant because totally there will be 9 flats, but we have total 7 persons, so it is obvious that 2 are vacant. That is obvious. So let's see. Only 1 floor is between F and V, but both live in same flat number. Okay, now first thing is F and B. Between F and B there is 1 floor. So it is obvious that one of them is on the first floor and one of them is on the third floor. And also both live in the same flat number. Okay, so you can write it down like this, that between F and V there is 1 floor. Again, you don't know the position with respect to each other, and both having same flat. Done. Now D lives immediately west of B. Now what we have, that D should be immediately west, means D and V is on the same floor and they are on consecutive flat, that is either 1 or 2 or 2 or 3. Now it is obvious that for V first flat is not possible, because if V is on the first flat, D has to be immediate west. That is not possible. So now the flat number for F and V both can be either 2 or 3. Yes or no? Done. Now T lives immediately above R. Now what we have, that T is just immediately above R. That is for sure. Now no one lives on the east of F. Now what we have, to the east of F there should be no one. Okay, to the east of F there should be no one. So to the east of F there is no one. Done. R does not live in the same flat number as D. So R is not in the same flat as D. That is for sure. Okay. So R and D are not sharing same flat number. Okay. Now T and D do not live on the same floor. Okay. Now what we have for T and D? T and D does not share the same floor. Now P does not live in the same flat as number as R. Okay, so P and R does not share same flat, does not share. Okay, now B lives below the floor on which P lives. Okay, so what we have, that B lives below the floor on which P lives, but not in the same flat number. Okay, now the flat number of P and B flat. Okay, flat, that is cancel, means the flat number is not same. Now B lives in an even number flat. Okay, so now B must be an even number flat. So even number flat, it is obvious, it is 2. Yes or no? Okay, that is for sure. and one even number floor but not on the same floor on which R lives. Okay, so B lives in even number flat and on even number floor. So even number floor means that is floor 2. That is obvious. For B, it is obvious that B must be here. Yes or no? Is it clear or not? Please let me know this thing first of all. This is very clear. But not on the same floor on which R lives. So it means R is not on the second floor, that is for sure. Is it clear? And B must be somewhere near, below the P's floor. So it is obvious that P must be on the floor number 3. Okay, P must be on the floor number 3, F3, that is floor 3, but not on the same flat as F2. So the floor will be 3 for P and flat number is either 1 or 3. Is it clear or not? Now see, you know that immediately above R it is T, but R can't be on second. So if it on the second floor, so it is obvious that R can't be on the third floor as well, because above R you must need T. So it is obvious that R will be on the floor number first, but it can be on the flat number 1 or 3. Why not flat number 2? Because immediately above R we need T. Okay, so there are two possibilities. Okay, so here I am making the second possibility just here. Okay, this is the possibility number. This is flat number 1, 2 and 3. This is the floor. So B is obvious here. Is it clear? Now what is the possibility that either R or T here or R or T here? Is it clear or not? Now what we have, that F and V, there is one floor between them and they are sharing the same flat, either second or third. So F and V is either possible here or F and V either possible here. Okay, okay, now see, if we are placing F here, because F and V both are possible on any of the floor. So suppose if you are taking V here, to the immediate west of V it must be D. So it is not possible for V here, that is for sure. Done. Now if you are placing V here, then D will come here. Yes or no? Done. But if you taking D here, then R and D will be sharing the same flat. That is also not possible because it is given here. Is it clear or not? So it is now obvious that you can't have F and V at these two positions in this case. Okay, yes or no? So it is obvious that they must be here. Yes or no? So now it is obvious that F and V is either possible here or here. Yes. Now we need P on the floor number 3, either first or third. So it is obvious that now the only possibility for P is here. Yes or no? Done or not? Clear? Is it clear or not? Now we have to put same things here. Now see, first of all we need F and V on the same flat of floor number 2 or 3. So it is only possible in these two positions. And to the east of F there should be no one. So F can't be here. So it is obvious that V must be here. Sorry, F must be here. And to the right of F, this must be the vacant flat. And V must be here, and to the immediate west of V it must be D. Is it clear or not? Done or not? Clear? Till here everything is clear. Now see, this P in this case, it is obvious that P must be here. Done. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is done, so this must be empty. Now in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are done. 3, 4, 5, 6 are done. Now we are remaining with seventh person. Okay, so we need first of all D. Okay, so D can either be here or either be here. Now either you put D here or here. This thing, that is P and R, does not share the same flat. So in this case P and R is sharing the same flat. So this is for sure wrong. So this will be the final possibility. Yes or no? Okay, so this will make the final possibility. Clear? So this is on the floor number 1. The person are living, that is DVR, and the floor number 2, this is empty floor. This is empty, then B and T, and on the floor number 3 that is P and F, and this is empty floor. Clear or not? So this will be the formation. Now we will be moving to our syllogism. So let's see the first two questions of syllogism, but read the information very carefully. What they are saying, that read the statement carefully and then decide which of the following conclusion does not follow. They are saying does not follow. So you have to read the statements, because you will just start doing the syllogism without knowing that you have to find which of the conclusion follow or which of the conclusion does not follow. So there is having does not follow. Okay, does not follow. So let's see, read the statement. So all bags are pocket. Okay, so all bags are pocket. Now all cover are bags, so cover will be in this, so it will be cover. Now all parcel are cover, so parcel will be inside it, so that will be parcel. This is pocket. and no pocket is color. So this is pocket and no pocket is color. Done. Now first conclusion, no bag is color. Now see, bag is inside the pocket and no pocket is color, so it is obvious that no bag will be color, so it will not be count because we have to find does not follow, so this will follow. Now all parcel are pocket. Now all parcel, this is parcel, this is pocket, so it is obvious that all parcel are pocket, so this will logically follow. At least some pocket are cover, so this is pocket, this is cover, so if all pockets, sorry, this is pocket, this is cover, so if all cover are pocket, some pocket must be cover, so this is also true, but we have to find does not follow. Now all colors being parcel is a possibility, so all color being parcel is a possibility. No. Why? Because you can't take color near the pocket. Now if you can't take near the pocket, you can't take near the parcel, so this will not follow. That is 4 short, so only conclusion 4 does not follow. Done. Now let's see question number 2. Same, we have to find which does not follow. So some apple are oranges, so some apple are oranges, all oranges are banana. Okay, so all oranges are banana, all bananas are papaya, so okay, all bananas are papaya, and no papaya is grapes, no papaya is grapes. Done. Now first conclusion, all apple being grapes is a possibility, so all apple being grapes is a possibility. No. Why not? Because some part of apple is for sure in the orange or in the banana or in the papaya, and no papaya is grapes, so some part of apple which is in papaya can't be the part of grapes, so you can't take all apple being grapes is a possibility. There is no possibility for that, that is for sure, so that is does not follow. Second one, all grapes being apple is a possibility, so all grapes being apple, yes, there is a possibility because you can't take some part of apple into the grapes, but you can take whole grapes into the apple, so this is a possibility, so this will follow. All oranges are papaya, so all oranges are papaya, yes, this is true. No orange is grapes, so no orange is grapes, yes, this is also true because all oranges are papaya, so and no papaya is grapes, so no orange will be grapes, so this will also follow. Now no grapes is banana, so no grapes is banana, yes, this is also true because all banana are the part of papaya and no papaya is grapes, so no grapes can be banana, so this is also true. So we have to find which does not follow, so only first does not follow, that is option number A will be the right answer. Clear or not? Done. Okay, now we will see the next question, so 3 to 5, and we have to find now which logically follows, that's it. So all monkey are rat, so all monkeys are rat, some rat are lion, so some rat are lion, no lion is dog, okay, so no lion is dog, and all tigers are dog, so all tigers will be dog. Done. Now conclusion 1, all monkey can never be tiger, so can never be actually means definite. Definite means all monkey are not tigers, and whenever it is all not, you have to take it as some not, because all not means all can't be the part of that, some can be, yes or no, so you have to take, if you are taking all not, you can take it as some not. Okay, so you have to take some monkeys are not tigers, so this is monkey and these are tigers, so between monkey and tiger you don't have a definite relationship, so you can't say about this, so this will be wrong. Now all rats can never be again what that actually means not, so some rats are no dog, so this is rat and this is dog, so some part of rat which are loin can't be the part of dog because no loin is dog, so the part of rat that is in the loin can't be the part of dog, that is for sure. So now it is obvious that all rats can't be the part of dog because some part of rat will be away from the dog, so this will be the true one, so only second follow. Clear or not? Done. Now let's see question number 4. So all lanes are road, okay, so all lanes are road, some floor are lanes, okay, so some floor are lane, this is floor. Now all floor are seat, so all floor are seat, and no lane is junk, so no lane is junk. Done. Now conclusion 1, all seat are lane is a possibility, so all seat are lane is a possibility, yes, this is a possibility because between lane and seat there is a relationship that will be forming some, but they are asking all, so it is possible. Now all roads are floor is a definitely true, so all roads, these are road and these are what? Floor, so all road are floor is definitely true. No, this is not definitely true, it can be, okay, it can be because the relationship given is for some, but all we don't know, it can be, cannot be, so it will not follow. Now at least some seats are road, so some seats are road, yes, this is true, some part of seat is in the road, yes. All junk being a part of lane is a possibility, So all junk being a part of what? Lane is a possibility. No, there is no possibility because it is given that no lane is junk. So no junk will be lane. They are asking all junk being a part of lane. No, there is no possibility. So this will be wrong. Now some seats are definitely not junks. Definitely not means not. So some seats are not junk. So this is seat and this is junk. So the part of seat in the lane can't be the part of junk. That is for sure. Is it clear or not? Okay. So it means some seat which are the part of lane can't be the part of junk. So this is true. So first, third and fifth follow. So first, third and fifth follow. There is any option? No. So answer will be none of these. Done or not? Clear or not? Okay. So answer will be none of these because we are giving first, third and fifth as follow, but there is no such option. So answer will be none of these. Now last question. All eraser are lines. All eraser are lines. Some lines are pencil, some lines are pencil. All pencil are red. Okay, so all pencils are red and no red is ink. So no red is ink. Now there is a possibility that some lines are not red. So line is this and red is this. So there is a possibility that some lines are not. So there you have given some lines are red. That is for sure. So remaining we don't know. So there is a possibility that remaining can't be the part of red. So there is a possibility, yes. Second, some pencil are not lines. Some pencil are not lines, we can't say. Because between pencil and line there is a relationship of some. And where there is a relationship of some not we don't know about. So it will be wrong. No pencil is ink. So no pencil is ink. Now this is true. Why? Because all pencils is red and no red is ink. So it is obvious that no pencil will be ink. Some lines are not ink. So some lines are not ink. Will it be true? Yes. Because some part of line is in the word pencil and all pencil are red. So some part of line will become red and no red is ink. So the part of line comes to be into the red can't be the part of ink. So this is also true. So first, third and fourth follow. So first, third, fourth follow, that is option number D. Clear or not? Done? Clear? Now, these are the 5 questions and these will be the homework question for you. Now you have to attempt them and answer me in the comment section box. This is very important. You have to answer me in the comment section box. Okay, because if you are giving answer me in the comment section box, it will boost my confidence or my hard work so that I can come up with more such questions or more relevant questions regarding your examination. Okay, so these are the questions that you have to do. Now if you want to prepare online, because all exams are online, okay, so you have to give the test regularly on online basis, that is for sure. So for online test you can go into the description box, click on the link. We are giving you some free tests that you can attempt, and if you find them helpful, you can buy the whole test series. Okay, so the link is in description box. So what you have to do, just click on the description box, link given in the description box, then you will be moved towards our app. So in that app you have to click on practice. So the window will comes up in which we have different tests that are on monthly, current affairs, everything is there. So suppose I am clicking on this one, so this window will comes up and in which we have chapter wise questions. Okay, now what is more important than that, that is analysis, because after completing the test you have to understand or you have to know which is the right answer, which is wrong, and how many answer you have doing wrong and how many answer you are doing right, and what is average time duration. Okay, so this is what we are giving you on the entry app. Clear? So you can attempt the test, link is in the description box. And also, as you know that I have just come up with the 5 question of syllogism. So if you want to see my whole video on syllogism, that are 40 to 50 question or more than that, okay, and all the latest and all pattern and all the basics are clear, and if you want to clear all basics, so you can just go into the description box, click on the link, and if you comes to our app, then it will be video classes there. Okay, then click on this, then will you move to the next page, and there you will find all the video courses by us, like IBPS, RRB, PO clerk course, bank foundation course, everything is there. So suppose if I am clicking on RRB course, then you will find my video there. Okay, so if you want to clear all your concept of syllogism from start to end, you can just go and click on the link in the description box, then you will comes to be in our premium video classes. Okay, done? Clear? Okay, so now if you really find the video helpful, do like the video, okay, and do comment whatever I told you to answer the questions, and do share with your friends. Thank you so much.